talking. I'm talking, Mommy.
Okay, go ahead. I'm talking to Daddy anyways.
Bye. Night. Night. That was my phone. That's my name, Poppy. I want to call again. Hello? Yeah. Yep. I said for a long time. Yep. Goodbye. That was my phone.
Did you call Nanny and Poppy?
I did.
Well, we better call them back.
I better come back.
Yeah, you say good night. You didn't say good night.
Good night, Nanny, Poppy.
Do you think they heard you?
I think they're hurry.
Did you dial the number?
I did down number.
You want to try one more time?
046.
046?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right.
Listen me. Hey you. What are you doing? What are you doing there, Poppy?
Okay.
Yes. Goodbye. Good night, Nanny, Poppy.
Good night, Nanny, Poppy.